If you've ever started a Facebook post and then backed out before publishing it, you might be wondering where that draft went and how to find it again. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find draft posts on Facebook so you can come back to unfinished posts, photos, and updates whenever you're ready. This is a quick and helpful trick if you accidentally saved something as a draft or just want to finish a post later. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your phone or in your browser and go to the area where you normally create a new post. On Facebook, that usually starts with the What's on Your Mind box. Tap or click that box to begin a new post. This is the same place you would use for status updates, photos, and videos. Next, if you want to create a draft from a photo post, tap on the Photo or Video option. Then select the photo you want to upload. Once the image loads and you're at the posting screen, do not finish the post. Instead of tapping Next and then Post, simply close out of the post creation screen. When prompted, choose Save as Draft. That tells Facebook you want to keep the post unfinished so you can return to it later. Now here's the part most people want to know. Where do you actually find that draft later? To access your drafted post, go back to the same What's on Your Mind tab again. Open the posting area just like you did before. In many cases, Facebook will show your saved draft right there so you can continue editing it. That means your unfinished post is stored inside the post creation flow, not in a separate obvious folder like some other apps. Once you see the draft, you can finish adding text, make changes, or upload it when you're ready. If you want to post it, just continue through the normal steps and publish it as usual. If you still want to keep it as a draft, you can leave it unfinished and come back again later. One important thing to remember is that draft access can vary a little depending on whether you're using the Facebook app or desktop version, and Facebook may update the interface from time to time. So if you don't see your draft immediately, try opening the same post creation box again and checking for the saved draft there. And that's how to find draft posts on Facebook in just a few simple steps. It's a handy feature when you want to save your work and finish later without losing your content. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and I'll see you in the next video.